How do you know if you need to develop speed and move your arms faster, or to develop strength and technique and move your arms better? Here's what I do to know. Angel joined our members area and sent us a video of his 50 breaststroke in a competition. Now, let's start, as always, what he does very well. In a competition, your main goal is to win, not necessarily to swim smooth or beautiful. And he does that very well. As we can see, he wins by a big margin. The first thing that I would correct is his dive. His head is pointing down while he should be extended forward. But that's a small detail. From this angle, we cannot see what's happening under the water, but we can see something very important. On a piece of paper, I timed every time his head comes up, signifying he did one stroke. For example, he finished his first stroke at 5 seconds, 0.73. The second stroke at 6.94. I did that for all of the strokes. He took 10 strokes on the first 25 and 12 strokes on the way back. You might think he's moving less distance for every stroke on the way back, but that is not the case. He's moving exactly the same. It's just that without the dive, he didn't go as far on his underwater phase, the pullout. He's moving 1.35 meters for every stroke. The professional swimmers move from 1.57 to 1.6 meters for every stroke. Because I took the time between each stroke, I know how fast he's moving his arms. His stroke rate is a little inconsistent and goes from 46 strokes per minute to 55. Professional swimmers go from 62 to 68. They start at 68 and they go to 62. So what we want to know in this video analysis is which one has more room for improvement, the tempo of his stroke or how much he moves for every stroke. In distance per stroke, he can improve 15%. In stroke tempo, he can improve from 20 to 26%. So I would advise, if your main focus is the 50 breaststroke, to start moving your arms faster until you reach 58 strokes per minute and never dip below 53 strokes per minute. You can use a tempo trainer to find out how fast you're moving your arms and set it to 55 and get used to that stroke tempo and never miss a beat. Once you reach at least 57 strokes per minute, you can start working on better technique, a better dive, and then record yourself underwater to see what are the biggest areas of opportunity to move farther with each stroke. I hope that helps. If you want to see more videos like these, click on this playlist. If you want to send us your video, join our members area by clicking on this link. Don't forget to fill out the form. See you next time. Swim fast.